Poco has confirmed that it will unveil the Poco X7 series of mid-range phones for the global market, including India, on January 9th. With Poco X7 and X7 Pro, both phones feature yellow-black dual-tone back panels with distinct designs. Poco X7 appears to have a similar design to the Redmi Note 14 Pro with 3 cameras on the back. The device is shown in green, silver and black with yellow colors. The Poco X7 expected to cost under 20,000 rupees in India. Poco X7 powered by the Dimensity 7300 Ultra with up to 12GB RAM and a maximum of 512GB storage, and run Android 14 OS out of the box. Phone has managed 1029 in the single-core round and 2901 in the multi-core test. The Poco X7 will likely sport a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and FHD plus 1.5K resolution, similar to the Redmi Note 14 Pro. Poco X7 have a 50MP IMX882 main camera, an 8MP Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro sensor, and 20MP front-facing camera. Poco X7 pack a 5110 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Phone also come in IP68 water and dust resistance and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for the display. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.